Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Department of Food and Biotechnology. Today in our session, we have talked about gel filtration chromatography. Gel filtration chromatography is the form of partition chromatography, use of separate molecules of the different molecular sizes. This technique has also frequently been referred to by various other names like gel permeation, gel exclusion, size exclusion, and molecular sieve chromatography. Now we have talked about the principle of gel filtration chromatography. And the principle is molecules are parternized between mobile phase and the stationary phase as a function of their relative sizes. And the stationary phase is the matrix pores polymer which have pores of the specific size. When the sample is injected with the mobile phase occupies the pores of the stationary phase. If the size of the molecules appropriate enough to enter the pores, they remain the pores partially or wholly. However, molecules with the larger size and the retain from the entering the pores, causing them to the moved with the mobile phase out of the columns. If the mobile phase used in the aqueous solution, the process is termed gel filtration chromatography. If the mobile phase used in an organic solvent, it is termed as a gel permeation chromatography. Now we have talked about the steps includes in gel permeation chromatography. The column is filled with semi-permeable pores, polymer gel beads with a well-defined range of pore sizes. The example mixed with the mobile phase and then injected into the column from the top of the column. The molecules bound to the column are separated by the elution solutions and whether either solution of the same polarity is used in isocratic techniques or different samples like different polarities are used gradient techniques. Illusion condition pH essential ions, cofactors, protease inhibitors can be selected, which will be complemented the requirement of the molecules of the interest. Uses one of the principal advantage of the gel permeation chromatography is the separation can be performed under the condition especially designed to maintain the stability and activity of the molecules and interest without compromising resolution. The absence of molecular matrix binding steps are also prevented unnecessary damage of the fragile molecules, ensuring that the gel filtration separation generally give high recoveries of the activity. Because of its unique mode of separation, gel filtrations, chromatography have been used successfully for the purification of protein and the peptide from the various sources. Gel filtration chromatography has been used to separate various nucleic acid species such as the DNA, RNA, tRNA, as well as their constituent bases, adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine, and the uracil. For example, the separation of the recombinant human granulocyte colony stimulating factors from illusion bodies in high yield by urea gradient and the size exclusion chromatography. The separations of the hang egg lysozymes using both acrylamide and dextrin based gel columns. Now we have talked about the application of gel filtration chromatography. Gel filtration plays important role in purification of enzymes, polysaccharides, nucleic acids, protein, other biological macromolecules. Gel filtration can also be used to facilitate sorry, by the refolding of denatured protein by carefully control of changing buffer condition. It is used in protein fractions experiments like gel filtration techniques is also used in molecular weight determination. Separation of sugar, protein, peptides, rubbers, and other on the basis of their sizes can be used to determine the quaternary structure of the purified proteins. And now we have talked about the advantage of gel filtrations chromatography. It is gel filtration is the robust technique that is well suited to handling biomolecules that are sensitive to change in pH, concentration of metal ions, or cofactors as a harsh environment condition. A significant advantage of the gel filtration is that condition can be varied, like suit two types of sample of the requirements for further purification, analysis of the storage without the alternating of the separation. Separation can be performed in the presence of essential ions or cofactors, detergent, urea, guanidine, hydrochloride at high or low ionic strength at 37 degrees Celsius in the cold room according to requirement of the experiments. Unlike ion exchange or affinity chromatography, molecule do not bind to the chromatography medium, so buffer composition does not directly affect resolution. The degree of separation between peaks, short analysis time, well-defined separation, narrow bands, good sensitivity. There is no sample loss in gel permeation chromatography. A small amount of mobile phase are required for this chromatography. And